Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. When you visit Yosemite, every view in the park feels like a wonder. Every minute you are surrounded by the sheer beauty and natural amazement everywhere you look. Wild animals, waterfalls, towering mountains, you are confronted with breathtaking vistas, seemingly never-ending redwoods trees, giant granite cliffs that have seen the beginning of time and more. Summertime means road trips. It goes without saying that food is a big part of road trips. A quesadilla is a heated tortilla with melted cheese inside. But in addition to cheese, you can put practically anything in a quesadilla. Alright, let's enjoy the beauty of this nature and let's begin cooking. Let's prepare 2 cloves of garlic, crushed. Chop the garlic until finely minced. Next, let's prepare avocado. Cut into halves. The additions of the avocado to a cheese quesadilla adds something very special and delicious. Let's mash it. Then, let's add lime juice. Mix well together. And a pinch of salt. Oops, there is the bear. Bears are magnificent creatures and it can be exciting to see one. However, most attacks that do occur involve surprise encounters between hikers and grizzly bears. What to do if you encounter a bear? Stand and face the bear directly. Make yourself look as big as possible by spreading your arms and yell. Moving on to our cheese quesadilla, in a low heat temperature, let's add tortilla. Then a handful of 3 cheese. Or if you don't have any, just use grated mozzarella. And let's add the avocado mash. You can actually add any filling you love, like cheese, ham, bacon, or mushrooms, or whatever you want to do. But for me right now, I like avocado. Okay, let's make another one. Cheese quesadillas are fast, reliable, cheap, and endlessly experimental. Like tacos and burritos, quesadillas are a beloved staple of Mexican cuisine, made of melted cheese and other fillings folded into a crisp tortilla. Cheese quesadillas are light enough to be enjoyed as a snack and filling enough to be the centerpiece of a meal. Oh, hello, dear. One of the best things about cheese quesadillas is their versatility. Cheese quesadillas are what you want them to be. The choice is completely yours. Look at that melted cheese. Yum. I love to put sour cream on top, but this is optional. Let's add more of the avocado spread. This looks so good. This cheese quesadilla is crispy on the outside, stuffed with creamy avocado and flavor-packed with cheese. Fully loaded avocado and cheese quesadillas are sure to be a hit. That is cooking simply delicious. Empty your mind of all thoughts. Let your heart be at peace. I still find each day too short for all the thoughts I want to think. The secret to a meaningful life is simpler than you think. God wishes to see people happy amidst the simple beauty of nature. Hope, success, and love, it will all come back to you in abundance. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. Look deeply into your heart and into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Just living is not enough. All my life through, the new sights of nature made me rejoice like a child. Yosemite is magnificent in its glory. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!